Off from the 30. Sends this one about 7 yards in, and Joe McKnight's going to run it back. And McKnight with a ton of speed. McKnight into Ravens territory, being chased from behind, inside the 20, inside the 10, and he's in for the touchdown. 107 yards.
As you can see there, that's all you're allowed in the NFL right now. And they peel out 2, and then a little block in the side. We'll call that one a non-block, but that was all Joe McKnight needed. Boy, what a start to this game. You think, oh boy, let's talk about offense, and we get special teams, and Joe McKnight, I don't know if he's ever run. You see him looking up at the screen? He's like, wait a minute, now I got 2 guys on my tail here. That bear jumped on his back just a little.
3 receivers set. And look at Joe McKnight break it. Zipikowski is the only guy that can get him. And Zipikowski able to take him down at the 5.
As Fireman Ed speaks for the Jets fans often, and his exasperation shows. Less than scintillating performance the last 2 weeks. Joe McKnight trying to change that. There goes McKnight down the sideline. Chased by DeVere Posey. McKnight at the 20. McKnight at the 10. McKnight is in!
He takes the ball right up the numbers, and off he goes. Missed tackles, and he is gone. Great block by number 54, Nick Ballore, and Joe McKnight can finish.
In scoring play, so it gets reviewed to make sure he stayed inbound.
McKnight is in, 2 tight ends, 2nd down and 9. They got a touchdown. A 2nd touchdown pass today. This is caught by Joe McKnight. An 11-yard hit, and the Chiefs extend their lead. McKnight is in. 2nd and goal at the 4. Smith, McKnight, touchdown. McKnight is caught his 2nd touchdown pass here in Miami.